4 o'clock in the morning. Well, we're here in Monticello. Pretty damn nice truck stop. Never once got full. Got PM. I just let him go potty. We're about to get on the road. 4.5 hours away from my delivery point, and I'm hoping I can deliver today instead of sitting there until Friday to deliver. So we'll see how that whole thing goes. And I'm done with this company. Finally done. What do you think, BNP? Yes. Back's feeling just a little bit better, but I gotta be careful. Might not last that long. I bought some Gatorade or Powerade yesterday. I'm gonna slam a bunch of it and try and get my electrolytes up and stuff. I might need to go and take some potassium too. Yeah, such a good puppy. He likes just looking out. See? I almost got a little bit of heat in my motor, and I'll get up and get going, or get on the road and get going. I need fuel too, by the way. The last load, I'm dumping this on the ground. The kid just took off. He's supposed to be pushing up the pile so I can get the last little bit out of my trailer. And he just disappeared. Like, what the hell? I don't have very much to go in that box. He's just gone. He's on his phone the whole time. Any moment he has, he's looking at his phone. I hate kids like that. It's like he's at work and he could be helping me because my stupid back's out, but no, he's not. Just sitting there playing on his stupid phone. He wants up so bad. Not yet, I'm almost done. Where the hell this kid went? It's like 4:10. Now it's time for a washout. Pim is losing his mind. He's so scared of washouts. Or truck washes, I mean. I'm gonna wash out next. That's in that bay. I can't do it in this bay. So I gotta wash my truck and then whip around and do it on that side. So he's freaking out. Freaking out. Yeah, you'll be okay. So scared of this stuff. But I gotta do this, and then I gotta go over there and wash the back part out. And then I'll go over the yard, spend the night in the yard, get the rental. No. Jesus. Get the rental, and then move into the new one. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. It's gonna cost me a couple $100 to get a rental. And then I looked up hotels and they're like $300 or $400. So there's gotta be something going on in Omaha this weekend. But there's no hotels available at all. Not a one. So I don't know what the hell's going on. He's losing his mind. Yeah, make the truck all clean. Right as I'm bringing it back.